Welcome to JVR Industries. Today we're going to share part 3 of a multi-part series of understanding roll stock machines. Andrew Eising, our Vice President, was given the honor to speak at the PAMP convention of 2023, where he was asked to share his expertise and knowledge on roll stock machines and just the basic understanding of knowing your way around it, basic componentry, and so forth. So today we're going to share part 3, which is seal bar types, total seal versus perimeter seal. So stay tuned, we're going to share a little segment of Andrew speaking at the PAMP 2023 conference.
So you got two primary ways to seal off the film. They're both going to use a hot plate, but there are flat plates and then there are perimeter seal plates. Perimeter seal plates only seal the perimeter of the package. A total seal plate is hot all the way across. One huge advantage of a total seal plate is that you can run one plate for all of your products, because it doesn't matter what configuration you're running, just like you see multiple different shapes here, that plate gets hot all the way across, so when it comes down to push on your lower plate, it's sealing off whatever grid is below. The one negative of a total seal plate is that you could seal or could sear your product. So that most of that is coming down to maintenance, making sure the machine is running properly. If you start seeing that at all, then you could definitely run into some searing where it'll just hit the top of the steak. So perimeter plate only gets hot around the perimeter, and the center stays much cooler, usually at least 40 or 50 degrees cooler, not enough that it would ever sear the top of your steak. So that's an advantage, but you do have to switch out that plate when you go from one divider to the other. So depending on the machine, could be a couple minutes, could be 5 or 6 minutes or more to change out that plate depending on what's involved.
Welcome back, guys. We hope you found this video extremely informative. If you guys have any more questions regarding the subject matter of understanding a roll stock machine or seal bar types, feel free to leave the questions in the comment section below and we will answer them as quickly as possible. Now, if you need your questions answered a little bit more rapidly, feel free to call our office at 716-206-2500, and we're open from 8:30 a.m. till 5 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. If you are looking for free technical support on your roll stock thermoformer, definitely give us a call. We have expert technicians in-house with 50+ years of knowledge on the subject, and we'd love to help you out. Now, as far as the links in the description below, we carry everything from roll stock films to roll stock parts to roll stock rebuilds. So I'll put all those links in the description below if you're interested and you want to learn a little bit more about what you could do, what the cost might be, what our capabilities are, all that good stuff. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be notified on the next part of understanding your roll stock machine and when it's released, as well as other content we'll be releasing regarding anything vacuum packaging related. Well, guys, once again, thank you for staying tuned to JVR Industries on YouTube. We look forward to sharing our 50+ years of expertise with you in the coming future. Have a great one.